train like a athlete, train like a athlete, win like a champion. Okay, win like a champion. Then now we can see here name of the jewels. Okay, name of the jewels in Hindi. Let us learn. Here the first one is anguti. Okay, anguti is a ring. Anguti, anguti, ring. Then kangan, kangan chudi. Okay, kangan chudi means bangle. Kangan chudi means bangle. We can hear these words in Hindi film songs also. Okay, kangan chudi, like that. Here then karan phool. Karan phool is earring or stud. Okay, karan phool is earring or stud. Then balka kanta. Balka kanta means hairpin. Balka kanta means hairpin. Then naak ki kheel. Naak ki kheel is nose pin. Then jumak. Jumak is earring, pendant of an earring. We can give मैं एक जुमक मेरी दीदी को दिया means I have given a pendant of an earring to my sister. Okay, teak. Teak is neck band. Teak is called as neck band. Now the next one is mang tika. Mang tika. Mang tika is head locket. Head locket. Okay, then natuni. Natuni is nose ring. Natuni is nose ring. Then nupur, payal. Okay, nupur, payal. These words also we can hear in the cine songs. Payal. Okay, nupur, payal is anklet. Anklet. Then peti. Okay, peti is waistband. Okay, peti is waistband. Then mala. Mala is garland. Mala is garland. Then lolak. Okay, lolak is pendant. Lolak is pendant which can wear in the ear. Sikadi. Okay, sikadi is chain. Sikadi is chain. Then har. Har is necklace. मेरी सोना की हार बहुत अच्छी है. मेरी सोने की हार बहुत अच्छी है means my golden necklace is very beautiful. Okay, like that. Then once again we can see anguti. Anguti is ring which is important in the marriages. Okay, then kangan chudi, bangle. Okay, karan phool. Karan phool is ear ring. Balka kanta. Balka kanta means hairpin. Then naki keel. Naki keel is nose pin. Then jumak. Jumak is pendant of an earring. Then teak. Teak is neck band. Okay. Then now mang tika. Mang tika is head locket. Natuni. Natuni is nose ring. Now nupur payal. Okay, nupur payal is anklet. Then peti. Peti is waistband. Mala. Mala is garland. Then lolak. Lolak is pendant. Then sikadi. Okay, sikadi. Sikadi is chain. Okay, मेरी सिकड़ी बहुत अच्छी है. Then हार. हार means necklace. मेरी हीरा की हार मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I like my diamond necklace. Okay, like that. Okay, we can see the names and pronounce it and use it.